everybody, this is Chilmi. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to keep your lips hydrated during the winters. So during winters what happens is our lips generally get very dried and chapped, and it's a common problem for all of us, no matter what age we are in and what is the skin type. It doesn't depend on that. In winter in general our lips get dry. So to keep our lips hydrated we need to follow certain steps, or certain lifestyle habits that we have to start doing, and these prove to be very helpful. At least for my case, I have very dry skin and very dry lips during the winters, but if I follow these few steps, I make sure that there are no issues with my lips. So let's see one by one what are the steps that I'm talking about. The first and foremost is, of course, to use a very good lip scrub. You can buy a lip scrub or you can make your lip scrub at home. It's very easy to make. You just have to use an exfoliating agent, and along with that you have to mix a moisturizing humectant, so that when your lips are getting exfoliated, it also at the same time it gets moisturized. So what you can do is you can take ingredients like sugar or baking powder, the ones that get dissolved in water, along with that a humectant. So you can use either coconut oil or olive oil or honey and mix together and then exfoliate your lips. So this is the number one thing that you can follow to keep your lips hydrated and to not get dry during the winters. The second is using a very good lip balm. So again, you can use petroleum jelly as your lip balm, but that's not enough. So we need something that protect your lips from the weather, from the pollution, as well as keep your lips moisturized for a long time. And if that lip balm comes with a tint, then nothing better than that, because it can also happen that you don't have to apply a separate lipstick. The more and more you layer your lips, the more and more it tends to get dry. So if you get a tinted lip balm, nothing better than that. I have got this tinted lip balm from Mamaearth. It's the Mamaearth Cherry Tinted Lip Balm. It's a beautiful red tinted lip balm, exactly the shade of cherry. This is how it looks like. This is how the color looks like, and it has a lovely smell as well. Mamaearth Cherry Tinted 100% Natural Lip Balm is priced at Rs 299 for 2 grams. It is enriched with goodness of cherries, coconut oil, vitamin E and castor oil. It provides 12-hour hydration and lovely reddish natural tint and heals dry and chapped lips. Mamaearth's newly launched tinted lip balms not only moisturizes and heals, but gives your lips a natural tinted look. Mamaearth's 100% natural and made safe certified lip balms are a perfect everyday companion for your lips. The natural oils infused tinted lip balms are nourishing and make the lips look instantly lit from within. They come in 5 flavorful shades. The shades are Cherry Tint, Rose Tint, Vitamin C Tint, Upton Tint and Cocoa Tint. Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and their website www.mamaearth.in. You can use my code CHILMIL2021 to avail a 20% flat discount on their website. This offer is available only on www.mamaearth.in. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand and recycles more plastic than they use. Whenever you buy a Mamaearth product, they link every order on the website to a tree that they plant. Mamaearth products are suitable for all skin types and are free of parabens, silicones, sulfates, mineral oils, and artificial colors. Mamaearth has launched their official app, the iOS and the Android, links to which are in the description box. App users get early access to sales and hence get extra discounts. You can use this Mamaearth tinted lip balm, which is amazing for the lips, very hydrating, and the tint looks really natural on the lips, as well as it gives a very plump effect on the lips, and you look very youthful actually. So this is the second tip to keep your lips hydrated and less dry during the winters. The third tip is to drink plenty of water. Earlier also I have said that the more hydrated you keep yourself from within, the more hydrated will your skin look. So if you drink water, adequate amount of water, I'm not telling that you have to drink gallons of water, adequate amount of water, the amount that your body requires, then you will see that your skin and as well as your lips are getting less dry. Fourth is using a humidifier. So when you are sitting in an office, the office AC is always on, and air conditioning tends to make your skin and lips dry. So if you keep a humidifier, then the chances of your skin and your lips getting dry will be less. So you can use a good humidifier. And the fifth point is having nutritious food. That may include seasonal fruits like oranges, apples, and other things that you specially get during the winters. Eat plenty of green vegetables. Make sure that you are getting the right kind of nutrients for your body. So if you have a healthy body, you are sure to have a healthy skin and healthy lips. These are the 5 tips that I had to give to keep your lips hydrated during the winter season, so that it doesn't get dry and chapped and look plump and beautiful. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.